So today we are gonna read a book. We ordered books through Temu. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 books.
And what's Temu?
Temu is the shop, the online shop where we order our toys, our books, for writing, for reading, some of our clothes, our hats, the things that we use at home, especially for your learning.
Also, cell phone.
Cell phone? No, we don't order cell phone in Temu. Anyway, we are gonna read about The Little Prince. Oh, that's The Little Prince. Okay, let's read about The Little Prince, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, on a blue planet lived a little prince and a beautiful rose. What lives on a blue planet? Who lives on the blue planet? It's the
Little Prince.
The Little Prince and the friend. The
Flower.
That's the rose, the flower.
Flowers.
What kind of planet do they live in? What kind of planet is that?
I'm so thinking.
It's a blue planet.
Blue planet.
That's right.
It's a blue planet.
That's right. On a blue planet lived a little prince and a beautiful rose. The rose was the prince's only friend. Hala! And he loved her very much. Oh, what is the only friend of the little prince? It's the
Flower.
It's the beautiful rose.
Flower.
The flower is the rose.
Yeah.
But the rose was too proud and temperamental, and the little prince began to find her tiresome. Oh, it says here that the rose was always angry. Oh no. So the prince was tired. Rose, oy, I'm so tired of you. You're so always angry man ikaw. You're my only friend, but you're always angry.
And look at that.
One day, the little prince was so annoyed, and the rose that he left, so annoyed with the rose that he left his planet, hoping to find some new friends elsewhere. Oh no! The little prince said to the beautiful rose, "Hey Rose, you're so annoying, huh? You're always angry. I don't like you anymore. I want to go find some other friends. Oy, I'm gonna leave you. Oy, goodbye, Rose." Hoping to find new friends, the little prince went to another planet. Oh! He went to another planet. There he met an arrogant and overbearing king. Hala! Who was sitting on a great throne. Oh, in another planet, what color is that? It's an orange or red planet, right?
Maybe.
There's a king on that planet, but the king doesn't have a good attitude also. Yes, he's very arrogant, very proud, said. The king appointed the little prince minister of justice. He ordered his new minister to sentence a rat to death. Oh no! The king told the little prince, "Oy, little prince, you become the minister of justice. You kill the rat. Kill the rat now," he said to the little prince. Unwilling to give the poor rat the death penalty, the little prince left and continued on his journey to find new friends. The little prince said to the king, "No, I'm sorry, king. I cannot kill the rat. The rat is so luoy. So luoy man the rat. The rat will cry if it will die. Oh no."
And also me will not kill the rat.
That's right. How about Aya? Do you want to kill the rat?
No.
What if the king will tell you, "Ay, Aya, let's be friends, but you have to kill the animals"?
I don't want to.
You don't want to? Because the animals will be very luoy, right?
Yes.
That's right.
Let's see.
The little prince, so he said to the king, "Bye, king. I don't want to be friends with you. I don't want to kill animals. I will go to another planet." So the little prince arrived at the second planet,
Mama.
where he met a very vain person.
Mama.
It's a purple planet, yes?
What's this
That's the sun.
Why is it so near to the? Why is it so?
Okay, that looks like the Milky Way, right? And then the little prince arrived at a second planet where he met a very vain person. The very vain person lives on the purple planet. So that person is a very vain person.
There's also a joy. There's also orange.
Orange, a little bit of orange, right? The vain person insisted that the little prince clap his hands to applaud and admire him. Oh, the person said, "Oh, you need to clap your hands because I'm so pretty. I'm so handsome." Huh? And the little prince was asked to do this over and over again. You need to clap your hands all the time because I'm so pretty.
Okay.
Oh, don't stop because I'm so pretty. Yay, I'm so pretty. And then the little prince said, "Oh, but it's so tiring to clap my hands all the time just because you're so pretty. It's not nice. It's very tiring." Then the little prince said he couldn't stand it any longer, so he left for another planet.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, goodbye, vain person. I don't want to clap my hands all the time. It's so tiring. Okay, goodbye.
Oh,
Okay, the little prince reached a third planet. There he met a person who spent... Okay, so the little prince reached a third planet. There he met a person who spent all his time eating and drinking. Oh, just like Sophie, always eating and drinking. The little prince asked the man, "Why do you eat and drink so much?" The man answered, "Because it helps me forget my sadness." Oh, the man is always sad. Why? Oh, I'll just eat and drink because I'm always sad, man, so that I will forget that I'm sad. I want to be happy. That's why I need to eat and drink. Oh, sad ba? Luoy ang tatay ba? That's the tatay. Look at. The tatay is always sad. That's why he wants to eat and drink all the time. You eat and drink so much just to forget your sadness? That's nonsense, said the little prince, and he felt very disappointed and left again. He said, "Tatay, I will go away because..."
why is it taking too long for the boy to find another friend?
Oh, because he's also very picky. He wants to find a good friend for him. Because you need to choose which kind of friend will fit me. What kind of friend do I want to have in life? Okay, the next one. The little prince landed on a fourth planet where he met a businessman who only cared about money. Oh, it's in the gold planet. Look at the golden planet, oh. And there's a businessman with lots of money. He only cared about his money.
He wants more money?
That's right. The little prince asked, "How much money would you need to be satisfied?" The businessman replied greedily, "Enough to own all the stars in the sky." Oh, the man wants to own all the stars in the world, in the whole universe. But the little prince didn't want to have anything to do with this greedy businessman. So he set off for the next planet. Nah, goodbye. I don't want somebody who just cares about money. That's being greedy. When you have money, you have to share it with all the people that you love, all the friends, all the people that needs money.
There's a light guy.
That's right. Okay, that's the other planet, the next planet.
It's blue.
It's blue also. Soon, the little prince arrived at the fifth planet. The planet was so tiny that it was only big enough for a lamp and the person who looked after it. Oh, it's a very small planet, mandi ay. The person's job was to light the lamp at night and put it out in the morning. Oh, that's his job. It's like having a moon. Turn it on, and when it's nighttime, you need to turn on the lamp. When it's morning, daytime, you need to turn it off. The job kept him very busy. The little prince thought he might be a good friend. Oh, he can be a good friend because he only turns on and turns off the lamp. However, the planet was too small to fit another person.
But you forgot the other side here.
That's right. I'm already done with that one. It says here that he only turns on and turns off the light.
Oh.
So the next one, he said, but the planet was too small to fit another person. Reluctantly, the prince waved goodbye to the man. Goodbye, Tao. Goodbye, sir. Because your planet is too small for another person like me. It only fits you and the lamp. So I need to say goodbye to you.
Okay.
Goodbye. Goodbye, sir.
Yeah, because why does he always love little planets with a light? He needs a bigger planet to
That's
fit
right.
another people with a light.
That's right. So that's why
Look
the
at
little
the
prince
Earth.
said goodbye. That's the Earth. The little prince landed on a sixth planet.
That's the moon.
Oh, it's a silver planet. A geographer who lived there encouraged the little prince to go and try his luck on Earth. He said, the old man said, "Oi, little prince, go to Earth. Maybe you can find your luck there. There's a lot of people there. Maybe you'll be happy on Earth." That's what the wise man said, the wise old man. Look at he's very wise. He's very intelligent. Like a scientist ba?
Oh. I want to go on Earth.
Oh, that's the Earth. That's correct, Soph. That's the planet Earth. And
Eh?
here, the little prince set off to visit Earth. It looked like a blue diamond, and he hoped he could find some new friends there. Finally, the little prince arrived on Earth. Unlike all the other planets he had visited, there were lots of people on it, and everyone was different. He went to Earth and said, so many people here. So many different people. People who loves money, people who loves to read, write, study, people who are annoying, people who are vain, people who loves to eat and drink. Everyone is here, the king and the queens. The little prince was very disappointed again that even among so many people, he couldn't find any good friends. No good friends he can find on Earth. Having traveled so far, the little prince began to miss his own planet and his friend. His friend was the rose, right?
Yes.
So he left Earth and headed back to his own planet. I don't fit here on Earth. Maybe I should just go back home to where my planet is and to the rose. The little prince returned to his own planet, where he finally realized that the beautiful rose was truly his best friend. He lived happily with his friend ever after. Ooh.
Let's see the other stories.
That's right, but did you like the story of the little prince?
Yes.
Mm.
I want other stories.
Okay, let's do another story, okay?
How about this one?
Talk about the little prince first. Do you think that the little prince is a good little prince?
Yes.
Did he find his true friend?
Yes. Yes.
What is his true friend? The
Rose.
rose. That's right. That's why wherever you go, you can only go back home. Home is where your heart is, where you are happy. Right?
Yes.
That's right.